Hey there, garden friends. It's a great day in the classroom because it is a harvest day here. We are harvesting some of our aquaponically grown lettuce. So we have water that recirculates, fertilized by fish waste. Bacteria breaks it down. We've got a bed of gravel in here called LECA, lightweight expanded clay aggregate. They're just little clay pebbles. That's the instead of soil or dirt, we use that. It's one gigantic biological filter, and it helps grow some amazing produce and plants. In this case, we're doing a lot of lettuce. And so this was packed full, and it is time to harvest it. Let's take a look right here. Bada bing, bada boom. You can see we're filling up 2 massive bowls worth. We're gonna take this right over to the culinary kitchen where our students will get after it. We're gonna wash it up, get this lettuce rinsed up really good, and then they have a massive lettuce spinner. So we're gonna spin it all dry, and then we'll stow it away for a day until they can come back, and they're gonna make a delicious salad. Maybe I'll have to do a follow-up video for that, because I'm told they're gonna work with the chef, our chef Hazelton here, and they're gonna make an amazing salad later in the week. And guess what? Salad from lettuce from fish poo. I know it sounds kind of gnarly, but it's awesome. 100% E. coli free, because the fish are not warm-blooded animals. E. coli does not ruminate or whatever and live in their guts. So you can see right here, we got 2 massive bowls worth of lettuce. Like I said, all grown underneath the LED grow lights. Very, very cool. You can see some of the leaves that were closest to the light right at the end got a little bit singed, but for the most part, I mean, look at these heads of lettuce. I mean, just super massive. I'm gonna take a quick bite off one, give it a little taste. You know what's great is sometimes you eat lettuce, if it gets outside and it gets too hot, it'll get really bitter. But what I've noticed is the varieties we have in here, I don't know if it's just sheer luck or the varieties or just the temperature and everything going on, but the lettuce is actually really tender and has a sweet taste to it. We have red sails here that you can see kind of got a little bit of color to it. And then we have the butter crunch, which is a different style one. It didn't quite head up maybe as well as I'd liked it, but it's because some of it was growing a little too close, or it was getting outgrown by the red leaf lettuce here. But you know what? It's time to go get this over to the kitchen to get it washed up